Hey guys, so for this video you'll need a few things that I'll list down in the description box, but as you can see I'm putting my 3 different size brushes in water and setting it aside. So if you have dry paint in your paint palette, don't worry because you can fix that up by adding water to the dry paint and mixing it well until it's wet again. So this is what I'm doing for the yellow, black, green and brown. On my paint palette, I'm going to be adding orange and white, then replacing the brown with red and the green with brown. Now to get the right consistency for your paint, just dip your biggest brush into the water and add 2 to 4 drops into each section of the paint palette where your different colors are. Quick side note guys, I'm sorry I haven't posted in a long time. My camera stopped working and I'm still in the process of fixing it, but I will be posting again frequently. I was also busy with exams, but now I'm finally free. For the paper, you can't just use any normal printing paper, you have to use either sketch paper or watercolor painting paper, which is thicker than normal paper. You can line your paper with cellotape, but I'm not going to do that. Now for the juicy part, the actual painting of the Lion King scenery. I'm starting off by using plain water as a base before I actually add the color on the paper. The first color we're applying is red, and that is going to take about a quarter a size of the page. My advice is don't rush to make it dark at first because you can always layer it, and using too much water with the paint can ruin the paper. So as you can see here, I'm taking my time, but for the sake of you guys, I'm going to speed up this clip so that we can go to the next portion of this video. Off camera, I went ahead and layered up my red so it can be bright, more colorful and vibrant. The next color is orange, and we're going to repeat the same process of using plain water as a base and then proceeding to apply the orange just like we did with the red. At this point you want to make sure that you're blending your colors well. You wouldn't want harsh lines to show up, so to achieve this you can use your medium-sized brush and apply the paint using a circular motion which creates circular strokes. To make your sunset look more realistic, add streaks of your previous color into the color you're currently working with and blend well. You know the drill by now. Apply plain water as base, add color, blend well, add streaks. We'll be using black, and it's the closest one to us because the further we look into the distance, the lighter the shadows become. The section where I scribble is basically the section where you should paint everything black. I was just really lazy and I did the rest off camera. For the second mountain we're using brown, but that's going to be covered up with green, which is going to be the textured grass that I'll show you how to do. This is basically how it should look so far if you don't want to add details, but I added details, which is the tree and the birds flying in the sky. And to do the textured grass, you just need to dip your paintbrush, your smallest paintbrush, into your green paint and then tap lightly on your brown area until it creates grass looking strokes. This is the final product guys. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe and share this video. Bye!